Hey guys, welcome to Lognews. Today I'll be showing you how to sign into your X.ai account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your X.ai on your computer, first open up your preferred browser on your computer, as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in X.ai login like this and hit on enter, or you can just simply search for Sidekick AI.com like this and hit on enter. We'll be going to the Sidekick AI later, so just open this site for now and let's go to the XI login. And you can see guys, there is the section where it says the people also ask, and it says is XAI starting now. Open this and it says, hey everyone, it's Chris Ake here. I'm one of the founders of the Sidekick AI. So some of you may have very recently XAI is closing down the doors for goods and will no longer service users, and it means that it's not available for us. But it says another thing here, which is the Sidekick AI is replacing the XAI scheduling software. So let's click over there, and you can see guys, there is the XAI option available over here, and we says the Sidekick AI is mixing the XAI scheduling software. With that being said guys, this is why I said to open the sidekickai.com first. And you can see guys, both of these pages have the sign in pages available at the top right corner of their page. Click on that sign in button, anyone will do, because you can see both of these pages are opening the app.sidekickai.login option available over here. And wait for a few moments in order for to be the site or the login page of the Sidekick to be enabled like this. And you can see there's a this, let it load. And after it loads guys, you can see there is a page to enter your email address and your password over here. Enter your email address over here like this, which you had registered on the XAI at the time of creating your account, or Sidekick AI at the time of creating your account. And after entering your email and your password, but if you have forgotten your password, you can see the forgot my password button available over here. If you click on forgot my password button available over here, you'll be redirected to a page where you can retrieve the XAI account's password. With that being said, you can also sign into your XAI with your Google or your Microsoft account respectively. If you click on these, a login page to Google or your Microsoft page will open, and if you log into your Google or your Microsoft accounts from over here, you will be able to sign into your AI or the Sidekick AI account from over here. And with that being said guys, after entering your email and your password, simply click on login and you will be logged into your XAI or the Sidekick AI account on your computer. And with that being said guys, if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.